I'm Sherri. I'm a working mother of 2, and I'm a MaidPro professional cleaner. I've been working for MaidPro for 2.5 years, and I really enjoy it. I have 2 wonderful kids. They're the love that keeps me going. I worked in the food industry for 15 years, but I got tired of working long nights and weekends and all holidays. What I love most about working at MaidPro is the freedom. I have a flexible schedule, Monday through Friday, with holidays off. I'm able to go to my doctor's appointments and my kids' soccer games. It makes a big difference when you have great management that cares about your well-being. I'm a hands-on person with a lot of energy, and cleaning's a great workout. I'm making my clients' lives easier by doing more than just cleaning. I'm giving them time back with their families. That's why I'm a pro, and you should become one too.